Hi, today we are going to take a deep dive into Midjourney's character reference new feature. This feature lets you achieve very close-looking results from the same character in different situations. I created all of these with the same character reference. Of course, we can still find ourselves upon weird hands. It's a very easy process. First, we click on the image we want to use as character reference, then we right-click on it, and following that, we click on Copy Image Address so we can get the URL of the image. So first you want to write your prompt, just as if you were creating a regular image in Midjourney. You can think of a specific situation or direction of what your character will be doing. Character reference gives you the possibility of having continuity with the same character. So the order goes like this. First the prompt, then the CREF followed by the image URL. You can close the prompt with parameters of your choice, such as aspect ratio, Midjourney version, etc. Okay, on this first result, I think she looks a bit younger than the reference character. On the second test, we will add the CW parameter after the image URL. This will give us control on how much we want the character reference to have weight on our new images. If we type 0, only the face of the character will be copied, and if you go to 100, the clothing, and basically all of our character will be the base for our new images. Okay, for some reason her neck is all backwards, but you can see her face looks more alike to our reference character now. As I said in the beginning, this process is easy but takes a lot of patience for trial and error. We will play again with CW parameter. Now we will type a 0 instead of a 100. Let's see. With parameter CW0, we get much closer results in the character reference of our base image. We can see how she really looks alike now. You can go as specific as you want on the prompts and situations. Keep experimenting and trying different parameters until you get the desired results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, leave a comment with any doubts you may have. Have a lovely day.